Hello, 7th grade. Welcome to more math with Miss Wimmer. If you do not have your notes out, you should be getting them out right now. In today's learning target, still have that word expressions, and more specifically, algebraic expressions, because everyone's favorite variables will be there. Also, I see a vocabulary word from yesterday. Combining like terms. Like terms have identical variables. One of the problems yesterday had some A's in it, 4A and 3A. Those are like terms. And actually, you can combine like terms. If we thought of the A's as apples, your friend picks 4 apples and you pick 3 apples. So if we combine those, we have 7 apples or 7A. That is our goal, our mission for today. To simplify a variable, also known as algebraic expression. Combine any of the like terms and any of the constants, but make sure to keep them separate. 2 days ago, we had some examples where the answers were in a box. Yesterday, we learned that these were called constants. The constants cannot be combined with the like terms. We can combine them each separately, but we can't put them all together for 17. That is a huge no-no. Because really, this means 7 letter A's. And this means 10 positives. The positives don't look like A's to me, so we cannot combine them. Our whole goal is to combine the like terms and keep them separate from the constants. Pause if you need more time. So I see some like terms here. I see 3B and, a hidden number, 1B. I'm going to combine those. And I always think of something usually silly with that variable. 3 bananas. I give 1 banana to my friend. Now I'm left with 2 bananas. Hop over to the second one. A missing invisible number. I always think of something silly in my head. I ate 1 pickle, and then I put 6 more pickles on my plate. Now I have 7 pickles. But my sneaky brother came along and stole 4 of my pickles. So I only end up with 3 pickles. Those are a little bit more on the simpler side because they were all like terms. Most of the time, though, it's going to be a combination of like terms and constants. I can only put like terms with other like terms. If I was going to draw a little picture for this one, I have 2 things called X. have 4 positives. And I have 3 more things called X. Since the greens and the yellows don't look alike, since the positive and the X's don't look alike, I cannot just smash them all together. This is like the other day when I was talking about those burritos. I don't want someone pouring drinks on my burritos. Therefore, they have to stay separate. But I could put X's with other X's. Just like if I had a bowl of chips and someone wanted to give me more chips, my favorite food group, chips, I could say, yeah, add them to this bowl. So now altogether I have 5 X's and 4 positives. That is how it stays. That is my goofy looking answer for these problems. Yesterday, I was drawing boxes or circles or triangles or rectangles, whatever you would like to do. I found all of the like terms. 5 X's and 3 X's and 4 X's. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 X's. 6 positives, 2 positives, 1 positive. I can put all those positives together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 constants are at the end of the problem. At this point, someone usually says, I thought you had to go left to right. And I remind them of that property from the other day. The commutative property says if it is all adding, you can go out of order. So I change the order and combine the X's. I change the order and combine the like terms. Another thing we need to be careful of are those negatives that are posing as subtraction signs. So on this screen, I see 3 of those happening. In order to go out of order, it has to be all adding. So I have to look for those negatives that are posing as a subtraction sign. They're trying to trick us. So right here, that is actually a negative 2m, and I squeeze in a plus. Right here, this is actually a negative 6, and I squeeze in a plus. Way to the right, that's actually a negative 1, and I squeeze in a plus. If you want to rewrite the whole problem, you definitely could. 5m plus negative 2m plus 2 plus negative 6. A couple questions down here help me to remember. What are the like terms again? 5m and negative 2m. 5 monkeys, 2 monkeys ran away. I'm going to combine those. 3 monkeys left. What are the constants again? 2 plus negative 6. 2 good guys battle 6 bad guys. What's left? 4 bad guys. Keep the variables separate, keep the constants separate. That is my goofy looking final answer. The one on the right. What are the like terms? 3a plus 4a. You have an alligator zoo. You own 3 alligators. Someone would like to donate 4 alligators to your zoo. You now have 7 alligators. What are the constants? 2 positives plus 1 negative. 2 good guys, 1 bad guy. Good guys win by 1. That is my goofy looking final answer. There's about 87 math rules happening in these problems. There is no way I should finish this in 5 minutes. Because I have to go slowly in each problem, think about all of the possible rules I've learned in the last month of 7th grade, and probably some 6th and 5th grade too. Still going down the page here, people. First thing, look for any subtracting that's making us tricked. Because that wasn't actually a subtraction. That was a stuck like glue -9. Since they both have a negative and an M, 4 negatives, 9 negatives, put all of those together for a bigger amount of negatives. On the right. First step, is there any negatives that are posing like a subtraction sign? Stuck like glue, squeeze in a plus. What are my like terms? 8a, -11a, bad guys win by 3. This constant has to stay by itself. Go ahead and pause and try these two. First, I did stuck like glue. I saw there was an invisible 1. Combine the like terms, combine the constants. Five apples, 3 apples, 8 apples. Two good guys, 7 bad guys. Bad guys win by 5. A's and B's, not the same. My answer has them separate. Last 2. terms. 9 good guys, 2 bad guys, 7 good guys left. 9 constants and 6 constants make 15 constants. Oh, 1 hiding right here. 1 good guy, 7 bad guys. Bad guys win by 6. 7 constants left at the end. The things I say out loud, the rules I say out loud, those are things you should be thinking in your head. This takes a couple minutes. Please don't call yourself done in 5 minutes. Maybe after 15 minutes, congratulations, you have finished another 7th grade math lesson. Have an awesome day.